Hello everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Today, Emma is going on a trip and needs to check into her hotel. We're going to learn all the important phrases for checking in, asking about hotel services, and checking out. Have you ever stayed in a hotel? What do you say when you check in?
Wow, this grand hotel looks really nice and modern. I'm excited for my stay here. Okay, I have my reservation details ready. Time to go inside and check in. I hope everything goes smoothly.
Good morning. A warm welcome to the Grand Hotel. We're delighted to have you. How may I assist you with your check-in or any other needs today? Please let me know.
Hello there. Yes, I do have a reservation for a room. It should be under the name Emma Clark. Could you please confirm that for me? I'm looking forward to my stay.
When you arrive at a hotel, the first thing you need to do is tell the front desk staff that you have a reservation. You can say, "I have a reservation," and then clearly state your name. It's polite and helps them find your booking quickly. They might also ask for your ID.
Clark, Emma. One moment, please, while I check our system for your booking. Ah, yes, here it is. Emma Clark, a room for 3 nights. Could I please see your ID for verification?
Of course, here is my passport. I booked online a few weeks ago, so I hope all the details are correct. I'm really looking forward to exploring the city during my stay here.
Thank you, Ms. Clark. Everything looks perfect. Your room number is 405, on the 4th floor. Here is your key card. To reach your room, the elevators are just over there, to your left.
Thank you so much for your help. Room 405, 4th floor, I've got it. I appreciate all the information. You have a wonderful day too. I'm excited to settle in.
After getting your key card and room number, you might want to ask about the hotel facilities. These are often called amenities. Emma remembered to ask about breakfast, but she could also ask about the gym, swimming pool, or Wi-Fi. It's always good to know these things early.
All right, room 405. That's on the 4th floor. The front desk said the elevators are to my left. Let's find them and head up. I hope my room is comfortable and has a nice view. Presses the up button for the elevator, okay, up to the 4th floor. I wonder what my room will be like. I really hope it has a nice view of the city or the park. That would be lovely. Alright, walking down the hallway now. Let's see. 401, 402, 403, 404. And here it is, room 405. Perfect. This looks like a quiet part of the floor. Uses the key card on the door lock, and the door opens with a soft click. Wow, this is a really cozy and inviting room. I like the decor and the size. It feels very welcoming. Let's put my suitcase down. The bed looks very comfortable. And there's a small desk, perfect for my laptop. I should check if there's a mini fridge too. This is great.
Now that Emma is in her room, she might need some things or want to know more about the hotel's services. These services are called amenities. They make your stay more comfortable and enjoyable. Let's see what Emma needs to ask about.
Okay, I need to check my emails and send a quick message to my family. But what's the Wi-Fi password? Oh no, I completely forgot to ask the front desk when I checked in.
If you forget to ask something important, don't worry. You can always call the front desk from your room. There's usually a phone next to the bed or on the desk. Just dial 0 or reception to connect. It's very easy to do.
Picks up the phone and dials 0. Hello, this is Emma Clark in room 405. I hope I'm not bothering you. I was wondering, could I please get the Wi-Fi password for guests?
Of course, Miss Clark. No bother at all. The Wi-Fi password for our guests is Grand Hotel Guest. It's case sensitive. Is there anything else I can assist you with from room 405 today?
Thank you so much for that. Grand Hotel Guest, I've got it. I'll try connecting now. Actually, yes, I do have a couple more questions about the hotel services.
Emma is asking about hotel amenities. Amenities are useful services or features in a hotel, like Wi-Fi, breakfast, a gym, or a pool. You can ask, is there a gym, or what time is breakfast? These are very useful questions to make your stay more enjoyable and comfortable.
Breakfast is served daily from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., and you'll find it in our dining area on the first floor. And yes, we certainly do. We have a fully equipped gym and a beautiful rooftop swimming pool, both open until 9 p.m.
Wow, that's fantastic. A rooftop pool sounds amazing. I'll definitely have to check that out later today. And a gym is great for staying active. Thank you for all that information.
Certainly, Miss Clark. We'd be happy to. We'll send an extra pillow up to room 405 for you right away. Is there anything else at all that you might need or want to know for now?
Yes, that's absolutely everything for now. Thank you so much for your excellent help and for answering all my questions. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.
Emma successfully asked about Wi-Fi, breakfast, the gym, and even requested an extra pillow. These are common and useful requests when staying at a hotel. Remember, you can always call the front desk if you need anything during your stay. They are there to help you.
Okay, now that I have all the information, it's time to relax and really enjoy my stay at this lovely hotel. I'll definitely check out that rooftop pool later this afternoon.
Now, let's fast forward to Emma's last day at the Grand Hotel. Her trip is coming to an end, and it's time for her to check out. Checking out is just as important as checking in. You need to return your key and settle your bill.
Looks at her watch. Oh, wow, it's already almost 11 a.m. Checkout time is at 12 p.m., so I only have an hour left. I really should start getting ready and pack my last few things. Okay, my suitcase is fully packed and ready to go. I've double-checked the room. I have my key card right here. Everything seems to be in order, and I'm good to go downstairs. Alright, it's time to head downstairs to the front desk. Goodbye, lovely room 405. I had a wonderful stay here. Now, for the final step, checking out.
When you check out, you go to the front desk, return your key card, and pay for any extra services you might have used, like the minibar or room service. You can simply say, "I'd like to check out from room number, please." It's simple and direct.
Good morning. I'm ready to check out now. I was staying in room 405. Here is my key card. Could you please process my checkout?
Certainly, Miss Clark. Let me just process that for you. Did you enjoy your stay here at the Grand Hotel? We always appreciate guest feedback.
Yes, thank you very much. It was a truly great stay. I especially enjoyed the rooftop pool, it was absolutely lovely. I had a very comfortable time here.
The staff will usually ask if you enjoyed your stay. It's nice to give a polite and honest answer. Then, they will tell you your total bill. Remember to check it carefully for any mistakes or unexpected charges before you pay.
Glad to hear that you had a comfortable stay, Ms. Clark. Your total bill for the 3 nights is $350. Did you use anything from the minibar? How would you like to pay?
No, I didn't use the minibar, thank you for asking. The $350 sounds correct for my 3-night stay. Yes, I'd like to pay with my credit card, please. Yes, please. I'll use my credit card. Here you go. Hands over her credit card to the young woman. I hope the payment goes through without any issues.
Thank you, Ms. Clark. Your payment is complete. Here is your receipt for your records. We hope to welcome you back to the Grand Hotel again soon. Have a safe journey home.
Thank you, goodbye. Emma takes her suitcase and walks out of the hotel, smiling. What a truly great trip and a very pleasant stay at the Grand Hotel. I learned a lot.
Great job, Emma. You've learned how to check into a hotel, ask about all the important amenities, and check out smoothly. Knowing these phrases makes traveling much easier and more confident. Keep practicing, and you'll be a hotel pro in no time.